Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Deep within the misty mountains of East Asia lies a flower with the extraordinary secret. A flower that transforms its appearance when it rains, turning its petal transparent. This is Diphylleia grayi, also known as the skeleton flower. Native to the cold, moist forests of Japan, China, and Korea. This unique flower has captured the imagination of nature lovers worldwide. But what makes this flower so special? How do its petals become transparent in the rain? Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the skeleton flower. The petals of Diphylleia grayi contain special cells that allow light to pass through when wet. When rainwater coats the petal, it changes the way light interacts with them, create a stunning glass-like transparency. This plant thrives in moist, shaded areas, often the high altitudes where the soil is rich and the air is cold. It's a true mountainous dweller. Beyond its beauty, the skeleton flower plays an important role in its ecosystem, attracting pollinators and contributing to the biodiversity of its environment. First documented by botanists in the 19th century, the name Diphylleia reflects in the distinctive double-leaf structure. Well, Grayi honors Asa Gray, a prominent American botanist. In the Japanese and Korean culture, this flower symbolizes transparency and fleeting beauty, often compared to the impermanence of life. Local legends speak of the skeleton flower as a gift from the heavens, its transformation seen as a reminder of the delicate balance between nature and life. Due to its unique appearance, the skeleton flower is a favorite among garden enthusiasts who want a touch of magic in their landscapes. From jewelry to painting, the skeleton flower inspires artists to capture its fleeting beauty, reminding us of nature's power to create marvels. The skeleton flower is more than a botanical wonder. It's a symbol of nature's intricate beauty and the hidden marvels waiting to be discovered. In conclusion, the skeleton flower stands as one of nature's masterpieces, blending beauty and complexity in a remarkable way. With its unique ability to turn its petal transparent when wet, this flower not only highlights the marvels of science and nature, but also serves as an inspiration in artistic and cultural realms. This flower reminds us that nature's beauty lies not only in its appearance, but in the stories it holds within. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.